guys! Yes, I'm back for another vlog. Actually, kagagaling ko lang from work. It's 5:21 in the afternoon. 5:21 in the afternoon, kakauwi ko lang. And, tingnan nyo kung ano yung dumating. Tada! Pagkalaki-laki. This is my COLOURPOP na orders. December ko pa ito na order. I think I placed the order December... Let me check. Sa email, ha? December... Okay, I placed the order December 26 and it's now January 23. So, it's been more... it's almost a month bago siya dumating. Actually, when I tracked the order, January 8, andito na siya sa Pinas. So, from Manila up to here sa Mindanao, ganun siya katagal. Pero sige lang, at least dumating. And hindi ko alam bakit ang laki-laki nitong box na to. Konti lang naman yung orders ko from COLOURPOP. And then, yung mama ko na yung nagkuha dun sa post office. Tapos, ayan no, may maraming ganito. Ano ba to, COLOURPOP? Binuksan niya na doon kasi to check daw if complete ba daw yung orders. And then, ayan, no, very messy yung sa loob. Ano ba ito, COLOURPOP? Bakit ganito? So, ayan. I'm going to unbox it in front of you guys because I'm really happy. And, teka. Actually, when I placed the order, it was an impulsive decision. I would like to thank my hubby because si hubby ang nagbayad nito. Yung hubby ko ang nagbayad nito. Kasi po, when he went home for New Year, sinabihan niya ako, he gave me a certain amount na para daw pwedeng igasto ko. Parang New Year's and Christmas gift niya sa akin. Pero dun niya bibilin sa Manila kasi dun yung maraming makeups, diba? But then, when I saw a Facebook ad ng COLOURPOP na nag-sale sila, I went to COLOURPOP website and take the risk. This is my first time to order from COLOURPOP kasi palagi lang akong nag-order sa mga online sellers sa Instagram kasi natatakot ako. Mindanao kasi itong place namin is in super duper remote area. Minsan hindi talaga dumadating yung mga orders. Pero naisip ko, dumadating naman yung Sephora. Siguro darating din naman siguro yung COLOURPOP orders ko na straight from US. And lo and behold, 3 days before mag 1 month, ito nga siya, dumating na siya. And sayang lang, before I placed the order, mga 2 weeks before that, naka-order na ako sa isang online seller, parang pre-order ng Catin Lights na eye palette. Kaya sayang lang, pero sige lang, okay lang, at least I get to try these things. Actually, yung gusto ko lang talagang bilhin sana dun sa COLOURPOP na website is the COLOURPOP No Filter Concealer and the Private Party na bronzer. Pero hindi kasi available yung COLOURPOP na concealer. And then, magiging free shipping lang siya. Ayan, may mga motor na naman. Okay, as I was saying, magiging free shipping lang siya if you order $50 above. And then, you will get a palette that time na may promo for free. So, ayun, parang etong mga napili ko dito, parang bang, eto na lang, eto, parang ganun na lang, as in. But anyway, so this is what comes in the box. Ayan, my card that says, wishing you a lit year, XOXO COLOURPOP. Ayan. Ayan, okay. Let me check ha kung kompleto yung orders ko na dumating. I think kompleto naman. Okay, the first thing is this one. The COLOURPOP Golden State of Mind Eye Palette. This is a freebie kasi ang nakalagay doon, when you order $50 above, you will get a free Golden State of Mind palette and then at the same time, magiging free shipping siya worldwide. I'm so bothered with this hair. So, let's open it. Oh, look ko. Ano yan? Akala ko sobrang laki niya, pero hindi pa siya ganun kalaki. Ito yung kamay ko, and then that's the palette. Yan lang. I'm expecting something like, magiging pareho yung laki nila sa Detail Makeover na palettes, pero mas maliit siya. Pero in fairness, mas mabigat siya than the Detail Makeover, and then your cardboard niya mas makapal than the Detail Makeover, pero okay lang. Okay. So, that's the shadows. Wala siyang mirror. And that's the shadows. May mga pangalan din dito. Ayan o, may mga pangalan. And then, there's the eyeshadows. Ang sabi ni Ate Mimi, pangit daw yung reviews nito. Kaya siguro ginawa na lang nilang for free. Pero let's see. I'm going to swatch. I'm going to wash muna my hands with alcohol para walang mga germs na ma-transfer doon. Okay. Alcohol, alcohol, alcohol. Todo! Okay. So, ayan. Let's have a swatch. These are all metallic shades. As you can see, wala siyang kahit isang matte eyeshadow. Kaya siguro ang pangit ng reviews nito. Kasi you cannot create a look with just this palette. You have to grab another palette para lang makumplito mo yung look mo. So, let's grab this shade. And then this shade. And then this shade. Ayan. I'm getting 3. So, let's have a swatch. Pigmented naman siya. Actually, pigmented siya. Maybe because, kaya siguro ang pangit ng reviews nito, kasi walang isang matte shade dito. Kaya siguro ganun. Pero, ayan. I'm excited to play around with this more. Yeah, thank you, ColourPop, for the freebie. Just a comparison, ha. This is the ColourPop Golden State of Mind Eye Palette. And this is the Autumn Eyeshadow from Detail Makeover. Ayan yung size difference nila. Diba? So, maliit nga siya. Okay, next is this palette, the Yes Please palette. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this one. Nakita ko to sa isang video ni Ate Mimi. And sabi niya maganda naman daw to. So, I bought it. And eto, mas maliit siya than the Golden State. Ayan. But, yeah, this is the Yes Please Pressed Powder Shadow Palette. And, oh my God, mas maganda siya. Hala, ang gaganda ng mga kulay. Alam niyo, ayoko siyang i-swatch kasi I want to make a look with this one with the swatches. Hala, ang gaganda. I love it. Hala, I'm so excited. The only thing for me that's missing is a... meron pala. Wala pala, joke lang yun. Hala, ang gaganda. I'm so happy I got this. Actually, maraming palettes yung andon, pero yung bang hindi ko alam kung saan yung maganda. But since nakita ko na to sa video ni Ate Mimi, ito na yung kinuha ko. At least alam kong maganda siya kasi na-review na ni Ate Mimi, di ba? Okay, next are 2 setting sprays. Actually, these are the 2 na parang regret ko sa orders ko. Pero kasi gusto kong i-try. Kaya, I got an Aquamarine Crystal Setting Spray and the Amethyst Crystal Priming Spray. I got the priming spray and a setting spray. So, para lang talaga umabot ng $50 yung orders ko. Kasi, parang impulsive buying talaga. Gusto kong maka-order for the first time sa ColourPop. And at the same time, gustong-gusto ko talagang bilhin yung bronzer na Private Party from ColourPop and the No Filter Concealer. Kaya nga lang yung No Filter Concealer hindi available. So, this is the ColourPop Amethyst Crystal Priming Spray. So, 55 ml. And, I don't want to spray it na yung ganun kasi parang ang sayang. I'm going to make a look using ColourPop products soon. So, yes, I'm excited to try this out. So, this is Amethyst and then again, Aquamarine. Wow. Love it. Next. Next is this one. What is this? Ultra Satin Lip. Ano pa to? Hindi ko alam. Aquarius. Yes, I remember I bought Aquarius kasi Kathleen Lights to eh. Siyempre, Kathleen Lights fan ako. Kaya, ito, I'm going to support her. Ito, I got the Kathleen Lights Ultra Satin Lipstick, Liquid Lipstick in the shade Aquarius. I'm going to have a swatch. Ayan, ang ganda! Ayan, that's the swatch. Ang ganda! Basta talaga, Kathleen Lights. Hindi ka magre-regret. Okay. Then, the next regret, ano ba ito? Puro regret. Is this one, the Just Peachy Trio na liquid lipstick. Kasi, alam niyo ba kung bakit ko ito naging regret? Kasi ito, nakasale siya ng $4.6. Tapos ito, parang $14. Parang ganun. And when you buy 3 of this, parang magiging $12 lang and something. Tapos ito, 14. Parang, impulsive buying talaga. Hindi ako nag-iisip long time na yun kasi ang gusto ko talaga, order na lang. So, this Just Peachy Trio or liquid lipsticks, this contains 2 matte liquid lipsticks and 1 satin. So, feeling ko yung mga satin na liquid lipsticks, ganito yung packaging, yung pink, gaya nitong Aquarius. So, this is Speed Dial, Screenshot, and Instigator. So, the Instigator and Speed Dial are matte, while Screenshot is satin. So, let's have a swatch. So, this is Speed Dial. Ayan. La! I like it. At least, maganda siya, diba? Kasi pag hindi maganda, talagang ang sakit. Pero anyway, nakasale naman kasi lahat to. Kaya, I'm happy. Ayan. This one is Screenshot, yung Ultra Satin Lipstick. And then, next one is Instigator. Talagang peachy siya. I love them. I love it. At least maganda siya. So, these are the swatches. Parang ang hirap pala. So, these are the swatches, guys. As you can see, Just Peachy mixed finish lip collection kasi ito. Kaya yan. Para siyang light, medium, and dark peachy colors na liquid lipstick. I'm sorry if the lighting keeps changing. Natural lighting lang yung gamit ko. Ayan o. Diba? Light, medium, and dark peach. Next liquid lipstick is this Lumiere 2 liquid lipstick. This is also an ultra matte lipstick. And again, a Kathleen Lights collaboration with COLOURPOP. So, ayan. Ayokong kunin yung lipstick na Lumiere kasi honestly, I am more into liquid lipsticks nowadays than regular bullet lipsticks. Ewan ko, just for me. And that is Lumiere 2. This is Aquarius. Why is the lighting keep changing? So that is Lumiere 2 and then Aquarius. Okay, next is this cream gel liner, and as usual, it's a Kathleen Lights times COLOURPOP collaboration. This I wanted for so long, pero para bang namamahalan ako sa mga IG sellers. So I finally have this. This is Mr. Bing na eyeliner. Ayoko siyang bumabalik naman pala. So, ayan. It's just your typical... Dito ko ilalagay. Saan ko ba ilalagay? Dito na. There's Mr. Bing. Ayaw niya mag-focus. Kasi pag mag-focus siya sa kamay ko, the lights change. Kaya, So, next is the COLOURPOP Pressed Powder Face. So, this is Private Party. So, i-transfer ko siya dito sa lalagyan kasi itong lalagyan, wala pang laman. Ayan. So, transfer natin. So, again, this is the COLOURPOP bronzer in the shade Private Party. This I got also because of Coffee and Sparkle by Mimi, of course. So, lagay na natin dito. Transfer. Yan. So, that is Private Party. So, let me have a swatch. Hala! Ang soft niya hawakan. Ay! Ang soft niya hawakan, promise. Okay, let's swatch it here. Hindi nyo gano'ng makikita, but that is Private Party. Tingnan na natin. Wala siyang smell. So, ayan. That's it, guys. That's my COLOURPOP orders. Yung pinaka gusto ko dito so far, it's of course this one. Kasi ito talaga yung gusto kong i-order sa COLOURPOP, pati na rin yung no filter concealer. So, this one and this one. This palette. The Yes Please COLOURPOP na palette. So, ayun lang. That's my orders, guys. So, yes. I'm going to do looks soon using this product. So, antayin nyo na lang. And, nga pala. Andito yung parang summary. Ayan, So, all in all, I got it for $55+ plus. All in all, I got this for $56 and walang price dito. Bakit kaya, no? Walang price silang nilagay. So, again, thank you so much, Habi, for paying this for me. Kasi, instead na bibilhan niya pa ako ng makeup sa Manila, I asked him na ito na lang yung magiging pasalubong niya sa akin. Other than makeup, meron pa din siyang ibang pasalubong. So, Ang bait ng hubby ko, no? As in, I'm spoiled. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this kind of videos like unboxing and all that. Kasi ako, I love watching international YouTubers opening their PR stuff, like PR unboxing. I love watching that. Pero ako kasi, parang matatagalan pa tayo dyan. Kakain pa tayo ng maraming bigas bago tayo makarating sa state na yan. So yes, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!